Hello guys, welcome to a new video of Python. In this video we will cover decisions. So basically we will talk about the if statement, ELIF statement and the else statement. First, let me give you an example how this works. Let's say if condition is equal to true, then do this. Let's review the syntax. We are going to start with the keyword if, then we will write the condition. So the condition can be anything like 2 less than 3, or maybe 5 not equal 10. So it is anything that can return true or false as value. You can use also variable names. So for example, x equal y. Anything like that is condition, and it use conditional operation. I already covered them in a previous video. Then you have to end the statement with the column. When you hit enter, it should tab you in a new line. It is important to have the indentation. So if you have your code like this, it won't work. Python reads the lines because of indentation, so it is very important to indent your code properly. Now let's do a real example. Let's take an input from the user. Let's say age is equal to input, and we will print input your age. Great. So now let's say if age is equal to 16, we will print your age is 16. So to do that, we have to write if age is equal to 16, colon, print your age is 16. Now remember, when we get an input from the user, the type of the input is always string. So the age will be equal to 16, like this. So we have to convert it to integer so we can compare it with a number. To do that, just write int age. Great, let's test it out. So run the program. Okay, input your age. I will say my age is 10 and hit enter. So you can notice nothing happens. Let's run again. Now I will say my age is equal to 16 and hit enter. The output is your age is 16. We can do other operators. So let's say age greater than 16, and we will change the print to you are older than 16. Let's run the program again. Now I will say my age is equal to 20. The output is you are older than 16. So what if we want a message when we are younger than 16 as well? To do that, we can use something called else statement. So else statement can't be used alone. It should always come after an if statement. To use the else statement, you have simply to write else column and hit enter. Make sure the indentation is correct. Then let's print you are younger than 16. Great. Let's run the program. Now I will say my age is 10 and hit enter. So the output is you are younger than 16. Perfect. Now let's dig deeper and explain more what's happening here. So first, Python will check the condition. So here in our case, the age is equal to 10. So the condition will return false because 10 is less than 16. So when this condition is false, we are not going to run this line of code. We are directly going to skip it and run the else statement. One more thing, let's say the condition is true. So for example, our age is equal to 17. So here the condition will return true. Then we will execute this line of code and we will skip the else part. Okay, great. Now let's take it further. So let's say I want to check if my age is greater than 60. We want to print age higher than 60. Then check if the age is greater than 20 and print age is between 20 and 60. And finally, print lower than 20. To do that, we will introduce the ELIF statement. After the ELIF, we have the condition. So this means if this condition is false, we will go and check if this condition is true. Otherwise, we will keep going. You have to know that you can have as many ELIF as you want, but you can have only one else statement, because else is the default. So if nothing works, we will go to the else statement. Okay, so first let's change the 16 and replace it with 60. Now we have to change the print. We want to print you are older than 60 instead of 16. Then we want to write ELIF int age is greater than 20. Don't forget the column, then hit enter. Now we want to print your age is between 20 and 60. And the else statement, we want to say you are younger than 20. Perfect. So now let's run the program and try it. First, I will say my age is equal to 90. Great. The output is you are older than 60. Perfect. Let's run it again. In this case, I will say my age is equal to 30. So the output is your age is between 20 and 60. Perfect. Now let's try the final one, the else statement. So let's say my age is equal to 5. So the output is you are younger than 20. Perfect. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.